Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, Python generators and Python decorators. What are these two topics? You will know how to use these two topics, like a generator, how we are going to using, like a decorators. You will see with the examples in this section. Watch it.
Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to discussing about more interesting feature of Python programming language, that is decorators. The decorators is a functionality which is added in Python language. We can use to existing function and method. Simply we can decorate to the our new function, and we can have an existing function what is having all the properties. That is the simplicity. And also we can call it as this is a type of is meta programming. The part of programming language tries to modify another part of the program, which is the compiling at the compile time. All right, this is the way. And simply you must comfortable if you want to understand and know about the decorators in Python. You have a good idea about the complete basics of the Python to understand how to run the program, how to use the object-oriented classes and instantiation of the class and object, how to calling the methods and all. Then only you will be having a good idea about to understand in the decorators. I will show you a simple, very much example how to use decorators and use of the decorators. We will see by defining a simple function called, it is a make sum. Name of the function, it is a make sum, and one parameter I am passing is an FUNC function. Call it as an FUNC. All right, and within this another function I have there is an inner method. We can call it as terminate. That is says that print. So, yep, I am decorated. Here I have written here, and function, if you can see function also we can call it as another function also we can call it as, and return the value what I want to return INNR. I'm returning from here. Simply just a keyword return. As till you know this, how to write this definition of the function class, and one more function if I called ordinary method I have implemented here, and print the statement is print, yeah, I am ordinary. That is decorated is an ordinary. All right, and now see here, if I called ordinary, here it will be prints straight away the ordinary. I'm ordinary, it's calling simply, and I can also initiate to the object. I can call it this one. That is that there is no problem at all, as you know till now. Otherwise, and if I call awesome, awesome, that equal to what is the function name? It is make awesome. Function called here make awesome ordinary. We can say that simply passing this parameter, and awesome. If you print here awesome, now you will see here notice awesome. So, yes, take an awesome. Now print here. See, I'm ordinary, I'm decorated, I'm ordinary. If you call this function, it is printing what it is printing, and passing this is also no. Hence, these two are going to be printing. I am decorated, I am ordinary, it is printing when you are calling awesome. This function. If I stop here, you will clearly understand. So now run this. I am calling this method, and it's printing I am decorated, and ordinary I am printing is an I am ordinary. Thus two lines is going to be printing here. Have you seen here? As till you know it's a very clear like object-oriented programming, calling the functions, methods, invoking the objects, and all. In facility, in like without calling all these things, for calling this method without calling all these instantiation declarations and all, simply you make it as here in @make underscore awesome. That's it. The function which is I'm calling from here, I have a declared @make underscore awesome of the name of this method. Have you seen here? And now I simply call the ordinary, what it will be doing. See, ordinary function I'm calling. Now run this. See, again I am decorated and I am ordinary. Both, if I call this method, it's using instead of this, like this one also is calling and again this one also is calling. This is the beauty is available in decorated. Like decorated, we have enough facilities, many of them. Try to refer with the Python programming language library, which are for updates and all. Hope you understand. Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about Python generators. Generators is a new concept in Python language, which is a very pretty much easy and to write the utilization to handle of the program in internal steps also. Now see here in simple words, create a generator in Python. Yield is a keyword is defining a normal function instead of a written statement. Simply earlier we have seen the function is a written keyword. Instead of written keyword, we need to use yield. Y-I-E-L-D. Y-I-E-L-D. This is just a second. It's not typing here. This is the keyword we need to use instead of written. We can call it as an generators. Python that is used to return from a function without disturbing and without destroying the state of its local variable, and when it is the function is called. The execution starts from the last yield statement. Any function that contains the yield keyword is written it is as a generator. Hope you understand. While if we use the function as a written keyword, once the written is written some value, function will automatically terminates and returns the value. Whereas generators, instead of written keyword, yield keyword will be there. We can call it as that function is a generator, and yield what it will do on every iteration, it will returns the value without disturbing that execution and terminating that functionality and the position like execution mode and all. It won't disturb. It will returns the value wherever you require on internals. That is the way generators are they have introduced in this Python language. Simple generator generators function we will see here by declaring a simple program. Now declaration of a function is in a my program. And now for the n is in a value I'm taking it's in a 1, and this is in a print statement I'm taking for here. This is a printed first. This is printed first. Simple. To understanding the generators, I'm writing like this. Okay. Now here the containing yield statement. Generator is containing yield statement like YIELD yield. It's a keyword and like a return and n I'm returning here. Right. And the next line what I am writing here n plus or equal to concatenating and raising one value. Print here with this is the printed second. This is the printed first. This is printed second here. And now yield I am again returning n. like yield I'm using to returning n. And what is the next line? It is a printed last. So take simply copy of these lines and paste over there. Yep. And now this is the text you need to change is in the last as much as simple and written. Now using for loop to reading what is the positions of n here. All right, in my program, if I called using for loop, and I will treat it as a first position what is my n value, and second position what is my n, and the third position what is it. It will see here. For a statement instance, item in what is my function name is my underscore program, and simply print item. That's it. You run it and you will know about how the yield, if it is returned, this function, if it is written here, it should be required to stop if it is in a function return character, that keyword. It's not in a function, it's in a generator. On every iteration, it will be returns the value, and it will throw you in the next level, and it will continues the functionality. You now run this. Now see here, this is the first printed, the value is 1, second printed, the value is 2, third printed, the value is 3. Have you seen clearly? That is what? This is the generators is very much pretty useful while writing different multiple complex IT programs without stopping and without disturbing the loop to keep on continuing the visualizations and all. And more help you can study about the Python updated libraries and Python documentation to know more about the Python generators.
I hope you enjoyed this session. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment if any you require in Django framework. For more details, watch the description. Thank you.